Hi, this is ESP32 cam and Wi-Fi module inbuilt. It has a camera and inbuilt Wi-Fi also. Now today how to program it or to load the program inside using the Arduino IDE, but it's a little bit complicated with the Arduino board. So today I'm going to show you how to connect the ESP32 with the FTDI cable. So I have one FTDI cable, so I'm going to first of all how to connect it. So here the black one is the ground of from the FTDI cable. Brown is not useful. The red one is plus 5 volt. The orange one is for TX, yellow for the RX, and green is not used in our system. Now corresponding cable how I connect to the ESP32 board is, so I'm now going to show you. See, the you can also see here the brown from the outside ground is connected to ground, right? Then 5 volt, the purple one cable is connected here, 5 volt, you can see. And now the orange is TX pin, and it is green one from the outside, and it is connected to VNR. So FTDI TX will be connected here to RX, and RX connected to TX from the ESP32 board, right? And at the time of programming you have to sort the IO0 and ground. Make sure you don't make mistake to sort the ground and VCC, otherwise you can damage your board. So the connection are like here, you can see. That's why I hold the board like this, so you can see from the both side. Now I'm going to show you how and now I connected this FTDI cable to here. Now I'm going to show you how to load the program and what setting we have to done. Yes, now I open the Arduino IDE, as you can see here. Now first of all you have to go to the file and you have to go to the preferences, and then here in previous IDE there is no inbuilt ESP32 library and everything, so I'm going to attach my attach this link. You have to copy and paste here, and then you have to just say OK. Now I already did it, so I do not need to do it again. Now you have to go to the tools. Now you have to select the board. When you do that, when you add the preferences, then you will see the ESP32 library here. So you have to just take your cursor here, and now here, as you see, you have to select the ESP32 rover module. Okay, then after there are some settings to do. You selected the board. Now you have to upload by default it would be the 921600, but you have to select 115200 speed, and the frequency it would be 80, but you have to select 40 megahertz. Then after, how would you gonna do flash mode? This you have to go here. Then partition scheme, you have to select the huge F, like this one, in this one. Okay, but and yes, when you connect your FTDI cable, you will see there is a COM port in the here, so you have to select that one. By default it would be anything, but you have to select the exact COM port which you connect to the FTDI cable. By it will shows you automatically, right? And finally, as the programmer, it would be like AVR ISP or AVR ISP MKLL, the second one. And then make the setting like this and say, and finally you have to say OK. Then make sure at the time of loading you have to make sure that you have to sort this cable, the yellow one. Like 1 minute, I'm shooting by the camera, so it's little bit confusing. Yeah, ground and IO0 as I showed you previously. So yeah, this two pin you have to make sure it would be sorted, otherwise your program will not gonna upload. After that you have to simply no 1 minute. And yes, here you have to make sure that you have to remove the slash here, like you have to active this define. You have to select the camera model, right? And then after you have to yeah, Wi-Fi ID, you have to put the Wi-Fi ID. I do not want to show my ID here, so So you have to just put your ID and your password. After that you have to simply just say upload the program like this. So here you can see compiling Sketch. It will take some time. I'm going to push for a while till it uploads. In some cases when it shows the error, then you don't need to worry, you have to make some changes accordingly. Yes, so when you start upload the program, it will show at the bottom like here, and it will take some time. I pushed the button after I did this, and yes, and finally it says done uploading and hardware resetting via RTS pin, right? So now we will see is it working okay or no. So we have to go here in the Arduino IDE serial monitor. We have to click here, and first of all you will see the blank screen. So what you have to do to get the status of this, you have to disconnect the cable which is sorted. You have to remove it first. So I'm going to do that now. See, I unsort it, and now see here there is nothing right here. Now you have to press the RST pin here which is on the board, this one. I'm going to press it. When I press it there will be data something. See, when I press it I got some data, and here I found the detected camera not supported, so I have to make some changes. I'll show you later on. Yes, before I selected the select camera model on the camera model rover kit, but now I made it as a comment and activate the camera model AI thinker. Now see what's happened. Again do upload, so we have to wait till its uploading is done, and make sure before each and every upload you have to press the reset button which I show you here. Don't forget to reset it, otherwise you will get the error during the uploading. Yes, now again after making these changes I upload it. It took some time. Now let's see the serial monitor. Again it shows a blank one. Now again, as I said, first of all I have to unsort the pin which I sorted during the uploading. I'm going to unsort it like this, and now I will press the button RTS button. 1 minute. It's little bit hard to hand camera. Yes, now you can see after a 2-3 seconds it says Wi-Fi connected, right? And there is no any other error. So now I'm going to put this here, and what we have to do is we have to copy this link, right click, okay, make a Control C, and you have to go to the browser, and you have to simply paste that link and pray and hit enter. Yes, now you can see there is window, and now here there is a start stream. Yes, so you can see here. Now you have to go on the upside. See, when I will face to on my it's the wrong direction. See, hi. So like you can see my face, right? So this is how it works. And if you want to capture the image, you have to just make it here like this position. You have to scroll down this window. I'm going to put it here for a while. 1 minute. Yes, if you want to capture this image, then you have to scroll it down and get still. You have to press on get still, so your image will be captured. Now you can see here, I have to make more study about this software. You can also now using your this URL, you can put this image on any particular server or something like that. Thank you for watching, and yeah, that's it. Thank you.